This is Mountas and Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. We are going to start drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, we can see we have a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 110 by 70 unit. Then we can see it has a extrude boss of 15 unit. In our rectangle, we have two extrude cut circle, one is here and another is here, and this two extrude cut circle has a diameter of 22 diameter, and they have a distance of this distance is 30 unit from here, and this distance is 30 unit here, and they are apart from 45 unit away. Okay, let's first draw that portion. So let's go back to our sketch. So I'm selecting the top plane here. Now select sketch. Okay, now select the corner rectangle, draw a rectangle of 70 by 110 unit. Okay, so this rectangle has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 15 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now this portion has been done. Now we'll draw the extrude cycle. If you want, you can draw the extrude cycle in the previous sketch, but I am drawing it separately. Now select this portion. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the circle from here and draw a circle of 22 diameter. Okay, so now select the smart dimension tool, and this circle from here to here, the distance is 30 unit. Okay, dimension it to 30 unit. Okay, now you can select the circle and dimension from here to this vertical line, the 30 unit distance. Okay, now again select the circle tool and place the circle along with this line, and draw another circle, and this circle has a diameter of 22 diameter also. Now select this dimension tool. Now select this circle and the previous circle, and their distance are 45 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now if you want to dimension this circle, you can also dimension it by using this dimension. You can see the distance is 30 unit because we have taken the line along that previous circle. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. Okay, now press OK. So this extrude cut cycle has been done. Now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, we can see we have a trapezoidal shape like here, and for drawing this trapezoidal shape, first of all, if we look back to our sketch, we can see this portion is quite a rectangular shape. Okay, and for drawing this rectangular shape, we can see it has a this distance of 50 unit. Okay, and the vertical distance, if we talk about the vertical distance, and this vertical distance is 45 minus 15 unit, and from that I will draw an inclined line like here, and then I will close the shape, then I will extrude boss, then I will extrude boss it to 15 unit. Okay, so in the same way, we can see we have another rectangular shape in here. Okay, and this rectangular shape has a distance of, as this extra distance is 25 unit, so this portion distance will be 75 minus 25 units, so it will be 15 unit. And then we can see this vertical distance will be same as the previous, 45 minus 15 unit. Then I will draw an inclined line like here, and then I will close the shape, then I will extrude boss it to 12 unit. Okay, let's do that to sketch first. So I'm going to my sketch again, and now rotate your sketch and select this portion. Now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the rectangle, corner rectangle, and place the corner rectangle here, and now dimension it to, as the height will be 45 minus 15 unit, and the length will be 50. Okay, now press OK. Now select the line tool and draw a rectangular triangular shape like this one. Okay, now press OK. As you can see, this line, we don't need this line, so I am going to select trim option and trim this unnecessary line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 15 unit. Okay, I'm extrude bossing it to 50 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now rotate your sketch and select this side, and now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the corner rectangle, and from here draw the corner rectangle from here to here. The height will be as usual the 30 unit, okay, and this portion will be 75 minus 25 unit, so it will be 50 unit. Now select the line from here and draw an inclined line like this and draw a triangular shape like this one. Now press OK. Now select the trim option and trim this unnecessary line that we don't need. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 12 unit. Okay, this portion has extrude boss of 12 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. So our this lower portion has been done quite well. Now let's go back to our sketch. Now it's time for drawing this upper portion. And for drawing this upper portion, we can see first of all in this upper portion, I'll draw this rectangular shape, and this rectangular shape has a dimension of, and this portion has a dimension of 50 unit, and this portion has a dimension of 75 minus 25 unit, so it will be 50 unit as well. Then I'll draw another rectangle like this one here, and this rectangle has a dimension of, this line has a dimension of 25 unit, and this vertical line has a dimension of 50 unit. Okay, then I'll extrude it to 45 unit. After that, from that rectangular extrude boss, I'll draw a center line here, and this center line, from that center line I'll draw a offset of 28 unit. So the offset will be, this side will be 28 divided by 2, and this other side will be 28 divided by 2. Then I'll draw two offset line, and after that drawing the two offset line, I'll close the shape, and then I will extrude cut. Then I will extrude cut it to 35 unit. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. Now selecting this upper face, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, as usual, select the corner rectangle and place the corner rectangle here and draw a rectangle of 50 by 75 minus 25 units, so it will be 50 unit as well as usual. Okay, as it is a square shape, so we do not need to over dimension it again. Now select the corner rectangle again and place and draw the circle, and this circle has a dimension of 50 by 25 unit. Now press OK. Now we have a common line here, we need to trim this portion, so I'm selecting the trim option and trimming this middle line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 45 unit, so dimension it to 45 unit. Select this portion and this portion and this also. Now press OK. Now it's time for the rectangular extrude cut, and for drawing the rectangular extrude cut, I am selecting this upper face. Now select sketch, now normal to it. After that, select a center line from here and draw a center line from this of 75 unit, and after drawing this center line, select the offset entities and offset it to 28 divided by 2, so it will be 14 unit. Now select this line, now select bidirectional cap print line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 35 unit, so I am selecting the blind option and dimension it to 35 unit. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.